Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need iOS 13 Plus and a recent iCloud chat backup. Once confirmed, open WhatsApp and stay on the main Chats tab. Tap Settings in the lower right because theme controls sit behind your account options. Make sure your phone's display and brightness is set the way you prefer. WhatsApp can follow system theme or use its own. Next, tap Chats, then Appearance. This is the first actionable control for dark mode. Doing this now avoids surprises later, when toggles won't be visible. You're now in Appearance. Pick Dark to force WhatsApp into dark colors, or choose System to mirror your iPhone's display and brightness setting. This is useful if you switch modes automatically at sunset. Tap Dark and observe chat backgrounds, menus, and media viewer switch to darker tones to reduce glare and save battery on OLED screens. If you want individual contrast, also check Chat Wallpaper to pick darker backgrounds. Once done, exit Settings and browse Chats to confirm color consistency across screens. Finish by scrolling through Chats, Status, and Calls to verify dark mode applies everywhere. Media viewer and stickers should also follow the chosen theme. If Appearance isn't available, update both iOS and WhatsApp, then reboot the phone. Updates often restore missing UI options. If problems persist, offload or reinstall WhatsApp after backing up Chats. Make sure Chat Wallpaper isn't forcing a light background. One key tip: toggling iPhone display appearance between light and dark helps identify whether WhatsApp is using system mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.